Thank you, Chairman Haney and Dr. Martell. Today's certainly a very tough day. We're all watching the spread of this virus across the country, across the state, and right here in our own community. Today's a day that many of us expected. However, it's still shocking and saddening to be standing here and announcing the first death of a Winnebago County resident to COVID-19. My thoughts are with the family of this individual, and they are not only facing an incredible loss, but do so in a time that's so uncertain. Your community, I want you to know, as Chairman Haney and Dr. Martell has stated, stands here with you, and we will continue to work through this together. So over the last several weeks, we all have just been inundated with numbers and pieces of information. We've been inundated with numbers of facts and figures about the virus, different modeling. We've been inundated with numbers about our economy, unemployment, the number of masks we should have, the masks that we don't have, the number of ICU beds, of course, the number of cases, and unfortunately now those who have passed away. However, I just want to reiterate this point. When we're talking about numbers, please understand that there's individuals and there's real people behind each one of these numbers that we present to you. You hear us from time to time probably getting a little bit more aggressive with some of our stay-at-home language. This is because they are people. They're our friends, they're our neighbors, they're our relatives, they're fellow Rockfordians and fellow citizens of Winnebago County. We are here to say stay at home for your safety. So please heed the advice that we're providing you. It's an individual that we lost today. When you think about it, it's their family and the grieving that they're going through. It's all of us as Rockfordians. I said yesterday we're going to be facing some tough times. I did not know at that point that it would be today would be one of those tougher times, but it is certainly one of the toughest days we've had in this battle against COVID-19. Losing someone to this new disease is all the more reason, though, for us Rockfordians to live our community values, live those community values of coming together and feeling that sense of hope and strength with one another. I also want to touch on Governor Pritzker just moments ago has extended the stay-at-home executive order that he put in place through April 30th. I just want to be very clear and state that I certainly think this is absolutely the right action at the right time for our state and for our community here. We must slow the spread of this virus in our community. And I just ask again, as I have every single time, please be vigilant. Be vigilant in staying at home. Be vigilant in practicing social and physical distancing. Be vigilant in washing your hands in frequently used surfaces. And please, if we all stay together and work together, we will get through this. Thank you.
Questions? Diagnosed or at least, aware of having the virus?
The question that was asked is if I can share any additional information, and the answer is no. To protect the privacy and confidentiality of the family, we are not releasing any additional information.